And we're deciding what to do with the second half of this large cherry log. If you're new to our Instagram, you can look through our old posts to see what we did with the first half. The wood is old and the sapwood is rotted, so the first step is to clean it up and see what we have to work with. Now that it's cleaned up, I can see the outside of the log is free of any cracks or knots, but the inside of the log has a few knots as well as some occlusions in the wood. I was hoping to orient a bowl with the bark side up, however these defects have changed my mind, so I'll make two bowls with the inner portion of the log facing up. In this orientation, these defects will hopefully be carved out during the hollowing process. I've decided to cut the log here, and I'm really hoping to see no defects where I'm cutting the log, otherwise neither bowl will work. Luckily it appears there's good wood, so we are in the clear. I'm sealing the end grain with anchor seal to prevent any cracking. I think I'll work on the smaller bowl first. Follow along to see the progress.